Hey Plant Pals, it's Mike the Chaotic Gardener, and today's quick tips when you're growing hydroponically indoors is if you have an old lamp, like this one was in my basement, and what I did with it was I bought off of Amazon a GE grow light. It was like $4. I think there varies between $4 and $8, and I bought two of them, and then I bought a timer. And so this is an old lamp, like I said, it was free to me. It was in my basement. And you can grow plants with it. And so say I had this plant here didn't have its own light. I could set it up like that, have the timer come on for 12 hours every day, and the plant would be happy. So that's just a quick tip for a cheaper price if you want to grow hydroponically indoors. And then my next tip is if you don't want to be chaotic like I am and just plant random plants in your garden, like I reset this unit up a day ago. It's already getting nice little healthy plants here. And I'm pretty sure I know what they are, but had I actually taken the time to plant them properly and label them, I could have put up here on this whiteboard a list of what they were. And in the future, I won't promise, but I'm going to try to remember to do that in the future so that I am a little bit slightly less chaotic. But that's a really good tip for anybody who's growing inside. You can write on the board the name of the unit, what's growing in it. You can also take the same dry erase marker and say, I do know that this one is a Fresno. And so I could call that, say, Unit 4. And then I can come up here and I could say 4. It's kind of hard to do this on the phone. Fresno. Terrible writing. But anyway, if I wasn't trying to film this at the same time, I would have done a much better job. But yeah. What are you doing, friend? What are you going to cut? Anyway. Yeah, that's my quick tip for the day. Any comments, questions? Leave them in the comment section. Like and subscribe.